Skeleton triangle. Area formula is under root of s of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Here s formula is a plus b plus c by 2. And perimeter formula is a plus b plus c. Any triangle. Area formula is 1 by 2 base into height. That is 1 by 2 b into h. Perimeter formula is a plus b plus c. Equilateral triangle. Area formula is root 3 by 4 a square and perimeter formula is a plus a, that is 3a. Isosceles right triangle. Area formula is a square by 2. Perimeter formula is a plus h, that is 2a plus h. Square. Area formula is a square. Perimeter formula is 4a. Rectangle. Area formula is length into breadth. Perimeter formula is 2 of length plus breadth. Parallelogram. Area formula is b into h. Perimeter formula is 2 of l plus b. Trapezium. Area formula is 1 by 2 h of a plus b. Perimeter formula is a plus b plus c plus d. Rhombus. Area formula is 1 by 2 d1 into d2. Perimeter formula is 4a. Quadrilateral. Area formula is 1 by 2 d of h1 plus h2. Perimeter formula is a plus b plus c plus d power 1. Circle. Area formula is pi r square. Perimeter formula is 2 pi r. Semicircle. Area formula is 1 by 2 pi r square. Perimeter formula is r of pi plus 2 or 36 by 7 into r. Sector. Formula is theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Perimeter formula is L plus r plus r, that is L plus 2r. L formula is theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Cube. Curved surface area formula is 4a square. Total surface area formula is 6a square. Volume formula is a cube. Cuboid. Curved surface area formula is 2h of l plus b. Total surface area formula is 2 of lb plus bh plus hl. Volume formula is l into b into h. Cylinder. Curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h. Total surface area formula is 2 pi r of h plus r. Volume formula is pi r square h. Cone. Curved surface area formula is pi r s. Here s formula is under root of r square plus h square. Total surface area formula is pi r of s plus r. Volume formula is 1 by 3 into pi r square h. Sphere. Curved surface area formula is pi r square. Volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere. Curved surface area formula is pi r square. Total surface area formula is 3 pi r square. Volume formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube.